to today's maths class, and today we'll do quadrilaterals. Our learning objectives are quadrilateral, side and angles, the interior and the exterior of quadrilateral, quadrilateral region, angles and properties of quadrilateral. So first is quadrilateral. If we take 4 points A, B, C, D in a plane so that no three of them are collinear and the line segment AB, BC, CD and DA intersect at their ends only, then the figure so formed by the four line segment AB, BC, CD and DA is called a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral ABCD, so this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Next is Hot's question. Can you draw two straight lines through a square to divide into four congruent quadrilaters which are not parallelograms of any kind? So, this is a square. Suppose we have to draw two straight lines which will divide into four congruent quadrilateral. So, like this, we have divided into four quadrilateral which are not parallelogram of any kind. Clear? Next, in quadrilateral ABCD, the point A, B, C, D are called the vertices. The line segment AB, BC, CD and DA are called sides. Angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDA and angle DAB are called its angle. The line segment AC and BD are called the diagonals. So, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. These are the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. Clear? And these are the vertices A, B, C, D. These are four angles, angle A, B, C and D. And these are diagonals. Next is opposite sides. Two sides of the quadrilateral are called opposite sides if they do not have the common end point. For example, AB and CD, BC and AD are the opposite sides. So, AB and DC, AD and BC, these are opposite sides. Next is adjacent sides. Two sides of the quadrilateral which have the common vertex are called adjacent side. For example, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DA, DA, AB are the pair of adjacent sides. So, AB, BC, BC की adjacent sides होंगे AB and CD. Like this, we will get the adjacent side. Next is opposite angle. Two angles of the quadrilateral not having the common arm are called opposite angle. For example, angle A and C, B and D. Angle A and C, B and D. They are opposite angle. Next is adjacent angles. Two angles of the quadrilateral having the common arm are called the adjacent angles. For example, angle A and B, A and D are adjacent angle. So, like here, A and B, A and D are adjacent, D and C, D and A are adjacent angles. Next is the interior and the exterior of quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a plane figure. All its points lie in the plane. There are also other infinite points in the plane of the quadrilateral which are not point of that quadrilateral. So, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. The quadrilateral ABCD divides plane into three parts. Three parts में divide करता है. The parts of the plane containing all points such as X, Y, P, Q lying inside the quadrilateral is called the interior of the quadrilateral. The part of the plane containing all the points such as A, B, E, C, G, D lying on the side of the quadrilateral is the quadrilateral itself. The part of the plane containing the point M, W, N lying outside the quadrilateral is called the exterior of the quadrilateral. So, all the points X, P, Y and Q, these are inside or interior quadrilateral. Point A, F, D, G, C, E, B. These are the points on the quadrilateral. And exterior W, M, and these are the exterior point or exterior part of quadrilateral. Next is quadrilateral region. The interior of the quadrilateral together with the quadrilateral itself is called the quadrilateral region. Next is fact file. The quadrilateral is the boundary of its interior. Next is some important observations. Two angles of the quadrilateral that are not adjacent are called the opposite angle. Two angles of the quadrilateral are adjacent angles if they have the side of the quadrilateral as a common arm. The point A, B, C and D are called the vertices of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. If we take 4 points, say A, B, C and D in the plane, such that no 3 of them are collinear and the line segment AB, BC, CD and DA intersect at their ends only, then the figure so formed by the 4 line segment is called the quadrilateral. Next is exercise 15.1. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD and the diagonal AC. Into what figure does the diagonal divided? How many such figures are formed? So, this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Now, we have to draw a diagonal AC. Clear? So, it will divide into 2 triangles. We can also draw one more diagonal. Again, it will divide the figure into 2 more triangle, total 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangle. Clear? So, you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is angle sum property of quadrilateral. Proof: draw a quadrilateral ABCD, draw a diagonal AC. The diagonal divide the quadrilateral ABCD into 2 triangles ABC and ADC as shown in the adjoining figure 15.5. So, here the diagonal AC divided into 2 triangles ACB and ADC. Clear? Next, denote the angle BAC, DAC, BCA and DCA as angle 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively by using the angle sum property of triangle. In triangle ABC, angle 1, angle B and 3, 180 degree. This triangle 1, 3 and B, that is equals to 180 degree according to angle sum property of triangle. In triangle ADC, angle 2, 4 and D, that is equals to 180 degree. Adding equation 1 and 2, we will add these equation 1 and 2. So, angle 1, 2, 3 and 4, B and D. In angles का क्या हो जाएगा sum, that is 180 plus 180 total 360 degree. D 1 and 2 को मिला के बन जाएगा angle A. Then angle B, angle C वाला है 4 and 3 को मिलके बन जाएगा angle C and angle D. So, angle A, B, C, D total हो जाएगा 360 degree. Now, we will take an example. Angle D of the quadrilateral ABCD is equals to 120 degree and A equals to B equals to C. Calculate the 3 angles of the quadrilateral. So, solution is, in quadrilateral ABCD, angle D equals to 120 degree. Clear? Angle A equals to B equals to C, that is, suppose that is equals to x degree. Now, according to angle sum property of quadrilateral, angle A, B, C and D 360 degree, these are equals to x. So, x plus x plus x plus 120 degree, that is 360 degree. So, 3x हो जाएगा plus 120 360 degree, 3x equals to 360 minus 120, that is equals to 240 degree, x equals to 80 degree. So, angle A, B and C, they will be equal to 80 degree. Clear? Next is exercise 15.2. Two angles of the quadrilateral are measured 65 degree each. The third angle measure 135 degree. What is the measure of the fourth angle? So, according to the angle sum property of quadrilateral, all four angles, that is equals to 360 degree. So, three angles का sum हो जाएगा 135 plus 65 plus 65, because two angles are 65 degree each. $265, that is the sum of three angles. So, fourth angle, that is 360 minus 265. $95. So, measure of fourth angle will be 95 degree. Clear? So, you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.